In the vast expanse of space, silence reigns supreme. But why is that? Sound, as we know it, requires a medium, like air or water, to travel through. In the vacuum of space, there's nothing to carry those sound waves. Imagine standing in a place where no whispers or echoes exist. That's the essence of the cosmos. Yet, it's not just the absence of sound that intrigues us. The silence of space invites contemplation of the universe's mysteries. It's a reminder of our isolation in this infinite void, where stars are born and die without a single sound. The only symphony we hear is the hum of our own technology, a fragile connection to the cosmos. So, as we gaze into the night sky, remember, the silence is not empty. It's filled with the stories of galaxies waiting for us to listen.